We're going to talk about one of the most common goals people have when it comes to their fitness: burning belly fat. Belly fat can be stubborn and difficult to get rid of, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We've compiled some of the best tips and tricks to help you burn belly fat extremely fast. So, let's get started. Tip 1: Drink lots of water. Drinking water is essential for overall health, but it can also help to promote weight loss and burn belly fat. When you drink water, it helps to flush out toxins from your body, which can cause inflammation and prevent weight loss. Drinking water can also help to reduce your appetite and prevent overeating, which can lead to weight gain and belly fat. To make sure you're drinking enough water, aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day and make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day. You can also try drinking water before meals to help reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. Tip 2: Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for burning belly fat and achieving your fitness goals. A diet that is high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can help to keep you full and satisfied while also providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Try to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks, and instead focus on eating whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can also help to keep your metabolism up and prevent overeating. Some specific foods that can help to burn belly fat include protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, and tofu. Foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds. Spices like ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric, which can help to boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. Tip 3: Do cardio exercises. Cardio exercises are an important part of any weight loss or fitness routine. These exercises can help to burn calories and promote weight loss, including belly fat. Some examples of cardio exercises include running, cycling, swimming, or dancing. To get the most out of your cardio workouts, aim to do at least 30 minutes of exercise a day, 5 days a week. You can also try to gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time to challenge your body and promote weight loss. Tip 4: Do strength training exercises. Strength training exercises are another important part of any weight loss or fitness routine. These exercises can help to build lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Some examples of strength training exercises include weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance band workouts. To get the most out of your strength training workouts, aim to do these exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure to target all of the major muscle groups in your body, including your abs, back, legs, and arms. Tip 5: Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. When you don't get enough sleep, it can disrupt your metabolism and hormones, which can make it harder to lose weight and burn belly fat. To make sure you're getting enough sleep, aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. Try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on the weekends, to help your body get into a healthy rhythm. You can also try to create a relaxing sleep environment by reducing noise and light in your bedroom and avoiding screens before bedtime. So there you have it, our top tips for burning belly fat extremely fast. Remember, burning belly fat takes time and consistency, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stick to a healthy diet and exercise routine, and make sure to stay hydrated and get enough sleep. With time and effort, you'll be able to achieve your fitness goals and have a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and advice on living your best